Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and if you received an email from Real-Debrid saying your account is flagged for sharing, you have exactly 7 days to fix your setup before you are permanently banned. And when this happens, Real-Debrid locks your account and completely breaks your streaming apps. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to exactly secure your account, generate a fresh API key, and get your setup running perfectly within a few minutes. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so first off, this is the warning email that I actually received. So if you get this email, do not ignore it. This is exactly what it will look like. Of course, it's going to give you a reason. So in this case, they're saying that I'm using it in 2 different locations, which really all I was doing is I had my VPN on one TV and not on another. So even if you do something as simple as that, it will flag it as being 2 different locations, which is against their rules, and they will threaten to ban your account, even if you have, membership. So they're going to basically reset your password, and they're going to make it where your API doesn't work. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and show you the steps on what to do when you get this email. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is, of course, they're going to change your password. So you're going to have to log in to the actual Real-Debrid website, and then we're going to go ahead and use the temporary password they gave us. And then once we're in, of course, we could change it to our new password, and then that's it for the password reset part. Now for the next step, we're going to actually have to go right here to where it says My Devices, and then the My Devices, this is where we're going to have our new API. Okay, so you're going to now copy this API, because now all devices or add-ons you had with your old API would no longer work. So if you try to play your favorite movie, TV show, it would not work. So you'll have to get this new API token. So we're going to go ahead and copy it, and then now we're going to go to our app that we use with our add-ons. Okay, so whether you're using Streamio, whether you're using Nuvio, you're going to have to go to your configuration page, which I do have a video, of course, on how to, connect Real-Debrid. So if you want more details, check out that video. But once you get to the configuration website, you're going to go ahead and put your API in here, exactly how I'm doing, and then you're going to click copy link. Okay, now if you hit install, it's going to attempt to add it to Streamio. If you're using Nuvio like I am, I'm going to go ahead and just copy the link and then move to the next step. And the next step, as you can see, I have to go to the Nuvio.tv, which I have a complete guide on this app and what it is if you would like to know about it. But we're going to go to our add-ons, okay? So I'm going to go to my add-ons, and then right here, this is where I would click on Add Add-ons, and we're going to go ahead and paste our link here. So of course, you got to name it. So in this case, I'm just going to name it Fixed. And remember, this video is just for educational purposes on what to do to protect the security of your account if you get this email. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to go ahead and paste my link, and then that will be the only step we need to do for adding it back. Now, of course, you can remove the old one because the old one would no longer work anymore. But once you go ahead and add it and do this from that email, you'll be all set. And that is literally it. So your new key is installed and your account is safe. So don't ignore these warning emails, guys, because you could possibly get a permanent ban on your account. Now, if this quick fix helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.